Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you are fine. Okay, students, we are here to take our science online class. As all of you know that we have completed our lesson number 5. And now what we have to do? What's next? We have done the reading and now we have to do the exercise. Our unit number 5 was the life cycle of plant. You have done the reading? Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to do our exercise. Life cycle of plant. You can see here the reading pages and then these pictures that belongs to the chapter. Okay, you can see here the picture of germination as well. Okay, now move to the exercise. All of you can see the exercise. Okay, read the question. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. What you have to do? You have to choose the correct answer. Okay, number 1 is what do flowers grow into? What do flowers grow into? You have many options, 4 options in each question, and you have to choose the right one. So here the options are birds, seeds, fruits, and shoots. So the flowers grow into the fruit. Yes, correct answer is option C. Right, now move to the next one. Which of these are roots? Means 4 things are given, 4 vegetables are given, and you have to tell that which one is the root. Ginger, carrots, cabbages, and tomato. So what's the right option? B, carrots. Okay, number 3 is what does a seed need to grow? Water and soil, soil and air, good soil, water, sunlight and air, and D is water. So what's the right option? The right option is, of course, a plant need to grow good soil, water, sunlight and air, means number C. Okay, number 4 is which of these has the largest seed? Which of these has the largest seed? Mango, apple, grape or peach? Yes, the largest seed is, of course, they all have the small seeds. Peach, grapes and apple have the smallest, peach the bigger, and the mango has the biggest one. So the correct answer is option A. Which of the vegetable is really a fruit? Means we are using it as a vegetable, but in fact it is a fruit. Options are tomato, potato, carrot or cauliflower. The correct option is yes, tomato. Tomato is in fact a fruit, but we are eating it as a vegetable. Okay, can we move to the next one? Okay, the next one is find the odd one out in each list below. You can see here the list of the things, and all the things are matched, but one vegetable is different from vegetable or fruit is different from the rest of the group. Okay, and you have to pick it up, right? In the first one, ginger, potato, onion and sweet potato, which one is the odd one which doesn't match the group? Yes, its answer is onion. You have to circle the onion. Why? Because it's the bulb and the others are tubers. So onion is the odd one. You have to circle it. Number 2 is cherry, peach, mango and orange. These are all fruits. We have to find out how they are different. Right. Now these are the different on the basis of seeds. You can see here cherry, peach and mango, they all have the only one seed, but orange have more than one seeds. So here you have to circle the orange, that is the odd, that doesn't match the rest of the group because of the seeds. Number 3 is rock, water, sunlight and air. Yes, of course, water, sunlight and air is needed by the plant to grow, and rock doesn't match the rest of the group, so you have to circle rock. Carrot, number 4, carrot, turnip, radish and cauliflower. Yes, which one is the different? The first 3 are the roots, cauliflower is the different one, odd one. You will circle the cauliflower. Number 5 is lettuce, turnip, tomato and potato. Which one? Yes, tomato is the fruit and rest of the are vegetables. Okay, now move to the next question. In the table, like the one shown below, list the name of the vegetables under the headings. Headings are the given and you have to write the vegetables. The first one is the leaf bird. Yes, which vegetable that is the leaf bird? Yes, lettuce, Lettuce. Second is leaves. Yes, leaves. Below under leaves you will write spinach. Okay. Stems, sugar cane. Here you will write sugar cane. Roots, carrots. Flower buds, cauliflower. Tubers, ginger. Seeds, peas. Bulbs, onion. Fruits that are vegetables. Yes, chili and tomato both are fruits, but we are taking it as the vegetables. Seedlings, mustards. Okay, now next one is order the step of the life cycle of a plant by numbering them. You can see here the life cycle of the plant, but that is not arranged according to the order. You have to arrange it. Okay, the first is written at the end. The first thing, the seed germinates. The second, yes, in the end you will write here number 1. After the seed germinates, the plant grows. So here on number 3, in front of number 3 you will write 2. Okay, after the plant grows, the plant flowers. Number 3, you will write here 3. Okay, in the first one you will write 3. After the plant flowers, the flower produces fruits. So here you will write 4. Second last is the 4. Next one, the fruit releases seeds. Every fruit has a seed in it, so the fruit releases seed. Okay, and a new life cycle begins. That is here on the number 4. 6. Here you will write 6. So how your numbering was 3, 5, 2, 6, 4, 1. 3, 5, 2, 6, 4, 1. Okay, now move to the next page. Here you can see the germination. Yes, you know the definition of the germination. When a seed is put into the soil in the presence of enough air, water and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. It is called germination. Right? Now here different steps of germination are given and you have to complete it. Okay, in the first step, what it's there? The dash begins to grow. What begins to grow? The seed begins to grow. Number 2 is the dash appears. What appears? The roots appear. No need to write too tiny. You will write here the root appears. Number 2. Number 3. Tiny roots take in water. Number 3. Tiny roots take in water. And the last one is the shoot grows green leaves. So it is the dash begins, the seed begins to grow, the root appears, tiny roots take in water and the shoot grows. Right. As we have completed our exercise, now your home task is you have to collect different seeds of different plants according to size and shape. Right. And you can collect as much as you can, but at least you have to collect 5. Okay. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay at home.